In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google with the great Notion support services. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, these steps will help you enhance your productivity and keep everything organized in one place. Let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser and head over to Google's search page. Once there, type Notion in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see the Notion website link pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click that link to navigate directly to their main page. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this will allow you to enter your login credentials. This is the same information you used when you registered your Notion account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, be sure to have your verification device close by. After successfully logging into your Notion account, you'll want to add a new page or note. Locate the Add New button, which you can generally find on your dashboard. This is the initial step towards setting up a new document where we'll be linking our data sources shortly. Now let's create an empty page where all the magic will happen. You've clicked Add New, and you'll be presented with several options for templates. However, for this purpose, we'll keep it minimalist and choose Empty Page. This provides a blank canvas for us to work on and ensures we have full control over what we want to display and organize. With your empty page ready, it's time to bring in data from your existing databases. Here, we will use something called a linked database, which is powerful for managing different projects and synced data across your workspace. Simply type a / followed by the word linked into your empty page. A menu will appear suggesting various commands and options. From this menu, select Linked View of Data Source. This feature allows you to link data from another database within Notion, making collaboration and access a breeze. You'll have a streamlined view of your data, perfect for tracking different elements without having to manually recreate or duplicate work. Finally, you need to specify the database you want to link to your current page. Once you click on Linked View of Data Source, a list of available databases will appear. Go through the list and click on the database that you wish to link. This will finalize the process and create a dynamic link between the databases, updating changes across your workspace in real time. By following these steps, you've now successfully integrated Google with Notion support services. This setup should enable you to access and manage your data more effectively, providing a seamless workflow that integrates the best of both platforms. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.